Okay. Next, we are talking about subtopic of Python fundamental using Pandas. So the objective of this chapter, we are talking about the Python application, what is data lifecycle, Python for data analysis, what is Pandas, Python Pandas operation, how to do merging, joining, Python for statistics, and Python for Hadoop. Okay, this is Python application. In Python, you can use Python for web scraping. Yeah, web scraping. What is web scraping? You can hack the data in any website you want using Python. Yeah? If you want to hack the website, Python can do it. Or you want to scrape the data from the website of the, let's say there is testimonial on the Agoda, something like that. You want to scrape the web using Python, that can do. Or you want to develop a website, you can do it with the Python. What we call that? Django. There is another Python language using Django. Yeah? But the basic is Python. You can also conduct testing, yeah, using Python. But we are going to focus more into the data analysis. How to do data analysis using Python. So this is the MBA data science objective, for you to be able to conduct data analysis using Python. So in Python, there is data lifecycle. The process is like this. There are data in the world. We have data in text, we have data in server, we have data in videos, we have data in photos, many type of data. All goes to the data warehouse. So there is cubes there. There is cubes. Yeah, you can develop the data using cubes. What we call it? Data warehouse. If the data is there in the data warehouse, you can pull the data and conduct the analysis. You can pull the required data. The required data. Yeah. And you conduct the analysis. A lot of analysis model. You can do the regression there, you can do the clustering there, you can do neural network there, support vector machine, you name it. You name it. After that, we do the data visualization. How to visualize the data. Yeah. This is the data lifecycle. Illustration like this. We have the data of the unemployed youth across the globe from 2010 until 2014. For the Afghanistan during the war. Yeah. So we can do simple data analysis. What is the percentage increase between 2010 until 2011, something like that? What is the percentage increase in unemployment? how many percent it is increased. Yeah, depend on each of the province. So there is the simple thing of data analysis. You just see the incremental on or decremental. The increase how many percent, decrease how many percent. Like a financial statements, tell us how many percent it is increase, how many percent it is decrease. That is also data analysis, the very basic one. Yeah. This is only the analogy. And when we do the data analysis using Python, we use the library, what we call it, Pandas. Not the Kung Fu Pandas, but Pandas. Pandas is a software library written for Python programming language for data manipulation and analysis. We do the manipulation. NumPy for the computing. Pandas for the manipulating. Yeah? Manipulating the data in a good way, yeah? In a positive manner, not in negative manner. Not playing with the data, manipulate the data, no, not like that. But it is more into manipulating, using the merging the data, joining the data, left join, right join, yeah? Something like that. Panda is standing on top of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. Tonight we learn about Pandas and NumPy. Next week we will go also for Matplotlib, and the other week will be SciPy. Panda is well suited for many different kind of data. Panda can do with the heterogeneous type column. There is integer data, there is string data, there is dummy variable data. So Panda can do all of them, no worries. Yeah, with the heterogeneous type of column data. So Panda can also do with the time series data. Panda can also deal with the matrix data. Yeah, with the shape of 3,2, yeah, with the matrix, the array data. Panda can do. And Panda can also do statistical data set. Yeah. Okay. So Panda is the name of Python module, which is rounding up the capability of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. SciPy is another library used for solving the mathematics, science, and engineering and technical problem, which allow user to manipulate the data and visualize it using high-level Python command. SciPy is built on the Python NumPy extension. It is called SciPy. SciPy. Okay. So Pandas also can do data frame. Data frame is two-dimensional labeled data structure, or multi-dimensional data structure with the columns of potential different types, like a spreadsheet, pivot, yeah, or SQL table. So what are the Pandas operation? What is the capability of Pandas? Pandas can slice the data frame, yeah, data frame, the array, yeah, they can slice the array. Panda can slice the data frame. Panda can also changing the index. Panda can do data conversion from text to integer, from integer to text. Panda can do. Also join and merging the data. And then concatenation on the data. And then changing the header column. So we are going to learn about these capabilities. First one is slicing. Let's say there is raw data like this, and we want to slice the data with the 2 rows only on top, or the last 2 rows only on the bottom. How to do that in Python? Okay, let's open the NumPy again, and this one is we go to Pandas. Okay, so first of all, we need to import Pandas as PD. Now, this one is NumPy. When we do NumPy, import NumPy as NP. Is in Pandas, we import the library of Pandas as PD. PD is the other name, the abbreviation for Pandas. So let's make a data frame or array. Yeah. So let's say XYZ web. Equal to okay. Okay, let me do this like this. Okay, let's start it with import Pandas as PD. Enter, and then the web data equal is we put the array but with the header. So when we use header in the data, or we use text in the data, we must do it under the curly bracket. Yeah, curly bracket. And then for the string data, we need to have the apostrophe kah? Apostrophe. Wait a second. Yeah, apostrophe. Use the apostrophe on the string header. Yeah. So the header meaning the dictionary of data. Yeah. Let's say day. Okay, day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. All right. We use the colon and square bracket. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. And then on the website, how many visitor coming on day 1? Okay. Okay, put the apostrophe again, visitors for day 1, colon. Okay, and then we have, let's say 100, 300, 500, 600, 700, going down again 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 400. Okay, comma. And then the bounce rate, when people come directly, go out again. How many people bouncing? Okay, bounce rate. Okay, let's see how many people bounce. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40, 50. Okay, so okay, this is the web. So we want to see it in a data frame structure, data frame, frame. So let's do it. Data frame equal to, this is where PD plays the role, plays the game. PD dot data frame from the web. Let's see how the data frame look like. Print data frame. Okay. Wow, there is error. PD dot data frame web df equal to, wait a second, is there any something wrong there? df pd dot pandas dot data frame web, supposedly it is okay. Where is it? Let's try again.
I know the error.
What is the mistake?
In the visitors, you before 400 you put full stop instead of comma.
Come again?
In the visitor bracket.
Yes.
In the 400.
Oh, Hawkeye. Nice. Cool. Thank you, Irwan. Yes, we have the data frame here using the array that we put before. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, K. Right. So we have the data here. Okay. And then we want to slice to see on top 2 row and then on the last 2 row. You want to see what is on the top and what is in the bottom. So we can do print data frame dot head of 2. If you want to see the 2, if you want to see the 3, change the 3. Enter. Right. Day 1, day 2, day 3. This is the index. The visitor is 100, 300, and day 1, 500, and the bounce rate 10, 15, 20. Using head, the head, the 3, the top 3 row data. And then the task is also the last 3 rows. Okay, will be head and tail. Print df.tail, let's say 3. This one is day 5, 6, and 7. The visitors will be 700, 500, 400, and the bounce rate 30, 40, 50. So this is on how to do the slicing on the data. Head and tail. Yeah. Print data frame dot head in the round bracket 3 will be top 3. If you put 0, what happened? If you put nothing, what is going to come out? Let's say you put here is 0. Enter. Will be 5. If you put nothing in the round bracket, there will come up with a 5. What happened there? Do you hear the music? No? Okay, good, no worries. Okay, so if you put nothing, will be on the tail will be 5. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Okay, no worries. Okay. So next will be after the slicing is merging. Okay, in the slicing, so far so good. Any thing to object? Any error? Okay, good. Right, next is merging. Okay, how to merge two data? Merging, the merge is merging on the two data. How to do that? Yeah. We have here, let's say the index, household purchasing intention, interest rate, GDPs, yeah, from year of 2001, 2004. How to do the merge? So we can get like this. Interest rate, US GDP for thousands, Y and X and Y. Okay. So how to do the merge in Pandas? Okay, let's say in Pandas we develop two data frame, meaning that we have data frame 1. Yeah. Okay, let's say here the F1 equal to pandas dot data frame, and then we have that curly bracket first. Yeah, curly bracket. Sorry. Oh, because there is index there, so we need to have the parenthesis first, and then curly bracket second, comma with the index. Okay. The curly bracket, we have two kind of the one, two, three variables, HPI, and then the colon, yeah, and then interest rate, colon, and then square bracket, and then GDP Indonesia GDP colon semi bracket. Okay, after that this is the curly closing curly bracket, and then the index is 2001. Yeah. Okay, so this one is we can copy data 2002, and then this one is, yeah, to make it simple, copy, and then interest rate 1%, 2%, and then the GDP. Okay, this is one is also frame 2. Okay. Okay. Nah. Anything? Come not come. Oh, okay. This one is just put one. Just the same. Double apostrophe and double quotes and single quote, just the same. Okay. All right. Is there any? Okay. Is there anything? Okay. So let's conduct the merge. Merge is equal pandas dot merge, and then parenthesis df1 and df2. Print merge. Enter. Oh, comma, comma. Oops. Yes. Interest rate. Supposedly. Okay. Sorry. This one, yeah. Interest rate. Okay, this one. Not here. Okay, good. All right. Okay. So we have the array here. Yeah. Household purchase, interest rate, GDP, yeah. So we merge the data, okay, the same data. So this is merging, yeah. There is also options to merge the data on one variable. Let's say HPI is the index. So HPI is the index for the merge. So you can do merge equal to pandas.merge the F1, the F2 on top of HPI. Then merge, something like that. Yep. So okay, let's say change the data a bit. Okay, so this is how to do merging on top of HPI. Yeah. All right. Okay, so that is on the merging. And then next is on joining. Joining is to, let's say we have a data here, and then we have the data on the left and the data on the right. We can do left join or right join or join only, join all. Yeah. How to do the joining using pandas? So in here, interest rate is 250, 355, and then this is 1. And in 2005, the interest rate is none, not at not available, not any number. NEN is not any number. The meaning is not any number, because in 2005 we only have 53 and 6, yeah, something like that, not 43, 53. And index rate in 2005 is not available, the data is not available. So it will be not any number, not any number. How to do joining in the pandas? So let's say we have here the F1. Okay, we have here the F1 pandas data frame, interest rate. We have 2%, 1% with the index of 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. And then the F2, we have the other variable, low tier HPI and unemployment. Yeah, different variable. Yeah, remember curly bracket, and then the dictionary, and then the group, the data group. Yeah, this is the, for the curly is there, but we need another parenthesis because we need to have the index of the year. Okay, and then let's join. The join is equal to the F1 dot join parenthesis the F2. So meaning left join, the left, not left join. This is join all join, yeah? All join. Left join will be on under the df1 variable. Right join under the df2 variable. But if you conduct join, will be all variable will be included in the table. So print join. Okay, so there will be not a number on 2004. In 2004, Okay, this one 2001 is there, 2002 is there, 2003 is there, 2004 only have interest rate and GDP, but low tier and unemployment they don't have, not a number. So this is why there is none here, because on 2004 data in 2004 is not available in the data frame number 2, because only 2003 skip with the 2004 going to 2005. This is how to conduct the join of the table in the Pandas.
Jerry?
Yes.
Why 2005 is not appear in the result?
Why 2005 not appear in the result? Oh yeah, 2005 is not there. What happened? Okay, 2005, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 index. Oh, because this one is left join. Let's do it in the right join. Okay, copy, paste df2, join df1. See? So 2004 is not there because left join to or right join to df2 or left join to df2, yeah. So the variable that use what we call it, the index that is used is the index for the df2. Let's see like this. df2 only having 2001, 2, 3, and 5. He want to absorb the data from data frame number 1 for their index. If not in the index, the data will not need it. Yeah, left join with the df1. Data frame 2 left join with df1. Or right join with df1. The same. In the above, df1 the left join with the df2. Yeah, the index will be used. Index used is the index for df1. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when the data of 1, 2, 3 is there in data frame 2, they take the data. The same like you have your credit card number. Okay, this one, let's change this to credit card number. CC credit card index. Yeah, it's credit card number. Credit card number. Okay, this is the credit card number. Okay, that's the same. Yeah. So okay. Let's wait a second. CC number. Oh. Okay. Must use index kah? Okay, wait a second. Must use index kah? Oh. Yeah. So, let's say the index is the credit card number. Yeah? This is the index is credit card number. Let's say the credit card number is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is belong to Sachin, Bendu, Irwan, and Nining. This one is belong to Bendu, Irwan, Nining, Jolanda. Okay. So, df1 join with df2, meaning the index of df1 is only for Bendu, Irwan, Sachin, Nining. And the F2, let's say the F1 is the for the transaction in the Transmart and merchant A, merchant B. Yeah. This is merchant A transaction, merchant A, yeah. Merchant A, something like that. This is merchant B. Merchant B, this one index. Okay, this one is merchant C. This one is merchant D, Zara. Okay, I want to know on 1, 2, 3, and 4 what is their transaction in merchant A, B, C, and D. So join the F1, join with the F2. The F1 is the left one, so the F1 left join the F2. Okay, so this is what your transaction is on the merchant A, merchant B, merchant D, merchant D. Yeah. Okay, what if I want to know on the data frame 2, left join with data frame 1. Yeah, I want to know also with the Jolanda is there. Oh, Jolanda is having merchant C, merchant D, merchant A is none, merchant B is none. So you know what is the transaction, what are the transaction on Jolanda. Seems that Jolanda never transact in merchant A and B. Araso Nining.
Rasio.
Okay.
How if you want like to join all of the things, not left join or right join? Is the syntax
Okay,
is
that is on the next slide. Okay, so you are one step ahead. Next is okay. If you let's say later on. The slide after this. Next is how to change the index and the column header. We want to change the name. How to do that? Yeah. How to do the index, how to change the index, and how to change the column header. Let's say this is GDP 1000. You change only to GDP only. Okay. Or changing the index. Before is 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. You want to use the interest rate as the index. How to do that? So how to do that in Python? So this is one Pandas kah? Okay. This one. You want to change the index. So let's say you have the data frame for the day 1, 2, 3, 4, the visitor, the bouncing rate. What? Let's print the F. Let's see the data frame. This one is the data frame. Okay. You want to delete 0, 1, 2, 3, change to day as the index. So you need to set the F, set as index, yeah, set as index the variable of day, yeah, in place equal to true. So the index changes from the previous one is before kah? Wait a second. Okay. Okay, this one, let's say this one is, and then we want to set the day as index. Yeah. So just data frame, set index, set day as index in place equal to true. Okay, day will be the index. Yeah. And then question number 2, how to change the column header from the GDP 1000 to GDP. How to change the column header. All right, in the above car. Okay. Oh, sebentar, wait a second. Oh, change will be, I put it here. Let's say this is one. Where's the codes? Oh, this one, rename. So we need to conduct rename on the data frame. Okay. df dot equal to df dot rename. Yeah. On the columns with the curly bracket, visitors changes to users. Nah, okay, so let's another code here. So df equal to df dot rename. What do you want to rename? The column header, column where, so because it is string, use the curly bracket. If anything's using string, uses the curly bracket. Visitors. Change to users. Print df. Yep, so you just change the visitors into users. Kapis? Any questions? Any error?
Yeah, I got error because I skipped the first step, which is define the data frame.
You need to. Okay, you want to share your screen, Indah?
Yeah. I couldn't.
Oh,
I
okay.
cannot.
Okay, no worries. Okay.
Because maybe you haven't given permission for me.
Share screen? Of course, you can. Everybody, you are the host, Indah. Actually, the co-host is you. Yes. Okay, let's try again.
Oh yeah. Okay. Seems like this.
Oh, can you make it bigger? More bigger, please. Okay. Okay. Have you import the pandas yet?
I haven't.
Okay, import on the first line above. Import pandas SPD. No. Below. Yes, there.
Here?
Yeah. Import pandas SPD. Okay, and run it. Okay, and then number 2 here, data frame days visitors. Yes, run it.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Right. Share screen again.
Pak,
Yes, Yolanda.
I also error.
Okay, open it. Okay. Import pandas NPD web equal to visitors bounce rate Okay, df pd dot data frame web print df 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oh, where is the curly? The first one is using curly or round bracket, is it? Curly kah?
Curly, Pak.
Oh, okay. Okay, try run it. Run. Okay. Wait a second. df data frame pd dot. Oh, not dava. Data. You put dava there.
Oh, oke, Pak.
Be careful. This is sensitive. Case sensitive, ya. Okay, right. Any other having error? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so next is the
Sorry, Pak Jerry.
yes, Giselle. You have
So
error?
the notebook that you have on GitHub, Pak,
Yes.
is the same with the one. This is the same with this notebook, right, Pak? That you're
No, different.
screen sharing.
This one is on the Kaggle, on my Kaggle.
Oh, okay, so we can find it on your Kaggle,
Yes,
right,
you can
Pak?
find it in my Kaggle. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Pak.
All right. Okay, next is the question from Nining. How to put all together in the join? We use what we call concatenation. Yeah. So in the concatenate, you can put all variables inside the table. Okay, how to do the concatenating? Where is the concatenate? Have I put it here? Wait a second. Okay, yep, this one. Okay, so let's say you have here data frame. Yeah, you have the data frame. Yeah, bracket, curly bracket, and then comma with the index. That's why we put parenthesis first, because there is index here. And okay, this one, let's say index is just put it 1 2 3 4, and then this one is 5 6 7 8. Okay, and then you want to have different as well, yeah. HPI A, interest rate B, and GDP G. So it will be different, isn't it, from the above? Okay, and then let's do concat. How to do the concat is concat equal to PD dot concat parenthesis square bracket df1 and df2. Yes, and then print concat. Where is it? This one? Yep. So you see, Nining, all the data is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This one is HPA. This is not a number. This one is not a number, and this one is there. All the table gathered together. Araso, Nining. Yeah. So index. So this is if you want to join all with all variables using, we use the concat. Okay. Next is
Jerry,
yes, Irwan.
so what's the difference between merger and concat.
What is the difference between merger and
Concat.
concat? Oh, okay. Merge. When concat, they use all data. Yeah.
Yeah.
When merge, actually this is the same variable, but merge aggregating into one. Can you imagine?
But they use all data as well, right?
Come again?
But they use all the data as well, right?
All the data. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
In merging. Okay, let's see the merge. All right, merge. Okay, concat you understand, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Merge. Okay. Yeah, they use all data as well, yeah.
Yeah.
They use
That's
all the
complete.
data as well. They do the merge. Okay, do the merging. Oh, you see, Irwan, there is index 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So all the data will go into the index. Depend on the index.
Okay.
So index basis. But in the joining, not index basis. Will be double counting. Will be double counting. So okay, let's see here. This one is, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that, yeah. What happened if we concat them? See, double counting, isn't it? Not merging. Araso.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you concat, double counting 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if you conduct with the merge, yeah, will be, where's the merge? Merge. Oh, all right. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Merge. Okay. This one is merge. PD merge. DF1, DF2. Print. Merge. Apps. Come again. DF1, DF2. Index 1, 2, 3. Merge is DF1, DF2. Merge. PD. Merge. Oh, okay. On sama dengan index. Yes, wait a second. Wait a second. Where is it? 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 The merge. On. Oh, yeah. On apostrophe. I forgot apostrophe. Already then. Index on equal to index
Apostrophe is not one, yeah, it's two.
Oh yeah, sorry. Previously one kah?
Yeah.
The same.
Same.
Okay, let's say on the merge. Oh, okay. Copy. Where is it? This one kah? Yes, two. Oh, two, supposedly two. Is it? It is running on the above, not running on the. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is not using index. Yeah. On the merge, we do not use index. Okay. Let's see here. Yep. Oh, we use index, yeah. Index equal to 2001, 2002. PD data frame. The same, isn't it? Oh, on the merge, supposedly the same. Oh, this is one not the same. That's why this one not the same. That's why they have the different case sensitive, yeah. Yeah. Case sensitive. This is big D. Interest rate the same, not change. HPI not change. This one okay. Yeah. Okay. Why this is error? Okay. Merge equal to PD data PD merge df1, comma df2. Okay. On let's say not in the index, supposedly in the HPI, let's say. Okay, let's try it. Merge on HPI on. Okay, let's not use that. Okay. All right. df1. Okay, I'll check it later, Irwan. So you have a valid question. So I can check it later. Okay. So let's continue. And then yeah, so we have that concatenation. Yeah, concatenate to see all the variable pulled together with the index. Next is the data manging. Yeah. So in data manging, we talk about Pandas can convert data to text, convert data to XML, convert data to JSON. So from text to JSON, from text to PHP, from text to JSON. But we are not going to discuss to demo it because we are not going to use it, yeah, on the data analysis. All right, so let's have an example like this. The youth unemployment data. Yeah. So we have there the data of the country in Afghanistan, the data of unemployment, how many thousand in million of their citizens that is unemployed. Afghan, Angola, Albania, until Belarus, Belize. This is 20,000 people is not working, yeah, unemployed. So we want to know for each country, yeah, from 2010 to 2011, is there increase in unemployment or decrease in unemployment? Yeah. Do you see the question? What is the increase in the unemployment or decrease in unemployment for each of the countries? Yeah, we can use Pandas to get to see the result. Okay, so first of all, we need to create data. So I have created data in Excel like this. This is the data. Yeah. All right. Can you see the Excel?
Yes, Pak.
Okay. In here, I have the CSV file, and then we need to sorry. We need to add it to the Kaggle. So we just add data to Kaggle, and then we upload the data. Yeah, and then we browse the file of your CSV file. Okay, so you have this one, this unemployment data. This is the data. Okay, and then you open it, and then you upload it. Yeah, you upload it to the Kaggle. This is all here. And then to read the data, you can copy the file path. So this one is unemployment. Open the folder. This is the unemployment data. You copy the path, and then you read the data. So read the data using the you can name it anything. Country, and then PD dot read Pandas, read the CSV file data, CSV, and then parenthesis, and then the apostrophe, path the link, paste the link, yeah, and then print parenthesis country. All right, so this is the data. So this is how to read data. Oh, I forgot to send you the data, kah? Okay, let me send you the data from chat. Can I send you the data from chat? Okay, I will send it through the Google Classroom as well.
Jerry,
Yes.
the data is from the Excel, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So okay, unemployment data, CSV file only.
So what you need to do is to export the data into the.
Yeah, you just upload the data to the Kaggle.
Okay.
Okay, wait a second. I need to send you the data, kah? Wait a second.
Jerry,
Yes.
sorry, Pak, you haven't shared your Kaggle with us, Pak.
Oh, really? Okay. This is my Kaggle. Okay. So per second, I send you the Kaggle set, and then the Excel file.
Okay, thank you, Pak.
Right. The documents, the central
But Jerry, when I try to click the link you sent,
Find the page.
it shows cannot find that.
Okay, I already sent you the Excel sheets, yeah, to the
I just on the Kaggle.
yeah. You can also download it from my Excel from my Kaggle. You see my Kaggle yet?
No, Pak,
We cannot access it, Pak.
Really?
yeah, it says we cannot find
Data
that.
found. You can find the page.
Really? So just search the Jerry HKL.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can search from. I think supposedly you can. Then this one.
Everybody successful. Successful.
Really? Okay, wait a second. Chat. This one.
Sinsa?
Belum.
All right. So I already sent you the file ya, unemployment data. This is just a dummy file ya, dummy file. Okay. So how to see the difference from 2010 to 2011? So we can use, okay, this one supposedly next week ya. I will explain to you regarding the data visualization using Matplotlib. So this is just a sample ya. Okay, this one better off. So we need to import Matplotlib pyplot SPLT. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, let's put another from here. Okay, this one is better off. Matplotlib pyplot SPLT, and then data frame is country. Data frame is country, and then set the index. Data frame is set the data frame index into country, and then find the differences. Okay, this one is all the year. We only need 2010 and 2011. Okay. Okay, so right. And then set SPLT, and then data frame is country, and then you can put SD or whatever equal to data frame, and then reindex. Yeah, only meaning that reindex is using only columns for year 2010 and 2011. Okay, after SD is there, you put DB, yeah, whatever. DB equal to SD dot difference. Difference meaning what is the difference between axis? Axis meaning the row of 2010 and 2011. What is the difference? And then you can, and then next is db.plot. You need to plot it using the option is kind equal to bar. Yeah, bar, and then show. Oops. What? Okay.
Is this file next week?
Yeah, actually for next week. So better off I explain it next week ya, using Matplotlib ya.
Next week, Bapak.
Sure. Okay, so basically this is the for the next week Matplotlib actually. Okay, so the objective is to see what is the difference between year 2010 and 2011. Yeah. Okay, so Control Z. Okay, let's see this one first. Okay, I just wondering. Okay, C country. Oh, no wonder. The big C. Yeah. All right. And then this one is also okay for the. Okay. So this is the Afghanistan difference is minus. So it is decrease. Albania increase unemployment. Algeria decrease. Belarus increase. So this is how using the Panda on top of Matplotlib to conduct the data analysis. Yeah. So we will learn about this. So you no worries if you cannot understand it. We will learn about this next week. Okay.
So, Pak Jiri,
Yes, Nining.
Matplotlib is like a data visualization.
Yes, data visualization. Yeah, this is just giving you the big picture on how to do the Matplotlib. Yeah. So next week we will go into it. Yeah. So we will discuss it in the further detail. Okay, so this is on the okay. Wait a second. Okay, last one. Last one is for Python for statistics. In Python, we need to calculate the mean, median, mode, and variance. Yeah? How to conduct mean? Yeah, how to calculate the mean, the median, modes, and variance? How to do it in Python? So let's say, okay, we need to import again. From statistic, we import the mean. And then print mean. Okay, what is the print mean? So we would like to see what is the average of the data. 3.5. And then if you want to do it median, from statistic, import the median, and then print median. The median is the middle. Yeah. And then for the modes, what is the most frequent item, that the most frequent integer in the data? 4, 3 times. And then the variance is the power of 2 from the standard deviation. This is the variance, 2.5. If variance is 2.5, meaning the standard deviation is the square root of the 2.5. That is standard deviation. So this is on the basic statistic using Pandas. Any questions regarding Pandas? Quite heavy topic tonight, yeah? Any questions? Irwan, what happened?
Oh, if I want to calculate the mean, median, mode using NumPy, bisa juga kan?
Using NumPy, bisa, can, but different codes.
Different codes.
Different
Okay.
codes. Yeah, NumPy can, but different codes. If average, meaning you need to sum all the data divided by n.
Okay.
Something like that. That is NumPy computing. But if using the Pandas, you import the mean and then print mean of the data. So the function is there. But if NumPy, you need to sum all the integer first and then divide by the n item.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. If there is no questions, we continue to post test. Wait a second.
Jerry,
Yes, Giselle.
I think we still cannot access the notebooks
The Kaggle,
in yeah.
you just search. You just search. Let's
We
say.
can find your
Do you have
username.
your Kaggle?
Yes,
What is the name?
wait, it's thing.
Jerry,
Yes.
I think you need to share the
Yeah.
worksheet.
The what?
The worksheet,
The worksheet of
the notebook.
the notebook.
Yeah, can you go back to? Yeah, can you go back to the?
Which one? My Kaggle?
Yeah, the Pandas.
Oh, Pandas. And then
I think this share in the top.
this one? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we need to have it public.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Pak.
Okay, I have it public. Okay. And then yeah. Okay, this is for the next week topic will be the matplotlib and linear regression. So there will be I will not publish it, share it yet. So next week I will share it.
Yeah, but it's available now, but I think the notebook.
Come again, Giselle?
We can access the notebook now. But
All right. Good.
Bye.
Okay, welcome. Okay, so let's have the post test. Okay, wait a second.